What up guys, welcome to Chef Vic, and today I'm going to show you guys a cool way of making the delicious ribeye. One of my favorite cuts, so stay tuned and check it out. To start off, you guys, we're gonna start making the delicious chimichurri, nice herb type of sauce. It goes good with the steak. So to start off, we're gonna chop up a cup or so of cilantro. Nice, beautiful cilantro right there. And then, of course, parsley. That's about a cup as well. And then, guys, you want to really give it a good old chop, just like so. You can use a food processor if you like, or just give it a good old chop with a knife, your choice. And then, place it into a bowl right there, and then get rid of the ingredients. So that's about 2 limes, zest, and then you're gonna juice them, both of them, just like that. This sauce really complements the ribeye, especially the acidity it has. So good. And then the rest of the ingredients would be about fresno chili, and then shallots, garlic, and then a good amount of olive oil. That's about like 2 cups or so. And then salt and pepper to your liking. And then I did not show on this part, but add dry oregano. Oregano gives that more up to like delicious flavor. And then you give it a good stir, and then your chimichurri sauce is done. And set it aside and get ready for that delicious, beautiful steak. This right here is a ribeye prime cut. So good, you guys. And then you're gonna see, look at this, black garlic powder. I found this at Walmart. I will put a link below. I'm pretty sure Amazon has it. So to start off the steak, season it very well with salt. As you can see, it's a very good sized steak, so it could handle the amount of salt. And then, of course, the black garlic adds that beautiful garlic savory flavor. And then chili powder, put on both sides as well. Really get in there. And then add your onion powder as well. And then fresh cracked pepper to finish everything off. And then get a nice cast iron and get it wicked hot. You want this cast iron to be smoking hot. And then place your steak in there inside the cast iron. Give it a good press. That will make the crust very good. Develops it very nicely. Try not to move the steak. Let it sit there so it develops that deep, rich crust. Trust me, it's worth it. Give it a little flip and look at that beautiful crust. And then to make the steak even more delicious, add some butter, and then baste the steak with the butter. And then cook your steak to the desired temp. I like my steak close to medium rare to medium. This is my preference. But if you guys like your steak more rare, just of course cook it accordingly. And then after you're done cooking your steak to desired temp, you're gonna place it on a wire rack and let it rest. And then of course drizzle that delicious butter right on top while it's resting. Okay, then after your steak is rested, you're gonna give it a good old slice like so. Give it a good presentation right there. See right there, as my steak is close to medium rare to medium. So good. And then you're gonna place your steak on the plate like so. Give it a good old fanning out, and then garnish your steak with that beautiful chimichurri sauce. Just let it just drizzle on top. And then you're gonna place it and make it a little more fancy. A little cilantro, some thinly sliced fresno chilies, and then some radish garnish on top. And enjoy, you guys. The steak is so delicious. And even the B-roll. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that delicious steak. Oh my god, it's so good.
it will make your mind go crazy. But no, for real, it's delicious. It's a great meal. It's a good way to start a nice dinner, especially if you want to make for your loved ones. You know what I'm saying? You could do that. It's like it's some basic Mexican style dish. So it has that beautiful spices, but you get that herb coming through from the chimichurri and stuff like that. Chimichurri thing, I'll point on that. If you want it more finer, be my guest. You can throw a blender, you can make it more of a smooth sauce. It works very well too. I just like mine a little more the herby side of it. It gives texture, good flavor, really makes it known it's there, and especially to stand up to that steak. The steak is rich, delicious flavor from that black garlic. I will put a link below. I'm pretty sure you could order through Amazon. I found mine at World Market. A very awesome thing to find. They even had whole black garlic and stuff like that, so it's exciting. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this cool little video. If you guys like this video, hit that like. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe and hit that bell to notify you guys for upcoming videos that's sure to come. And I will see you guys next time. Love you guys.